One of the most prevalent types of cancer in males is prostate cancer, which affects the prostate gland, a small walnut-shaped gland located between the bladder and the penis. It makes seminal fluid, which feeds and transports sperm. Prostate cancer cells grow slowly and are initially restricted to the gland. It may not cause major harm at this stage and can be successfully treated. However, as cancer cells move to nearby or distant sections of the body, the chances of successful prostate cancer treatment diminish. While there is no way to completely avoid prostate cancer, there are several steps you can do to reduce your risk. Maintaining a healthy body weight, exercising regularly, and watching what you eat and drink are all important. Foods that can reduce or increase your risk of prostate cancer have been identified in studies. For example, according to a 2014 study published in the journal Nutrients, animal fasts are linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. As you get older, reduce your intake of animal fats and increase your intake of plant-based fats. Here is a list of foods that can help you from developing this cancer. Cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, bok choy, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are among the vegetables in this category. Antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals are abundant in cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, which is commonly referred to as a prostate superfood, chloramphene, a phytochemical that exerts belief can be converted into chemicals that can target and block cancer cell proliferation. According to research, consuming cruciferous vegetables helps reduce inflammation, which is linked to a higher risk of prostate cancer. Berries. Scientists refer to the cumulative damage that occurs over years as oxidative stress. Free radicals, which are harmful byproducts of metabolism, are to blame. Free radicals wreak havoc on the body when they go unchecked, stealing electrons and causing oxidative damage to cells and DNA. Damaged DNA can't replicate properly, which can lead to malignant cell alterations. Antioxidants aid in the neutralization and elimination of free radicals in the body. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are all excellent sources. Anthocyanins are strong antioxidants found in several fruits. Fish. Certain fish, particularly cold water species such as salmon, sardines, and trout, have good fats that do not cause inflammation in the same way as saturated animal fats do. Scientists have come to consider inflammation in the prostate as a worrisome disease that can make cancer easier to spread in recent years. Polyunsaturated fats, such as omega-3s and omega-6, are necessary fatty acids that can only be obtained through food. The human body does not produce them. While there may be a correlation between higher omega-3 fat consumption and a lower risk of high-grade prostate cancer and prostate cancer mortality, further study, particularly human trials, is needed according to several evaluations. Cooked tomatoes. Tomatoes have been on the radar of prostate cancer researchers for a long time, and here is why. Another potent antioxidant found in the cell walls of tomatoes is lycopene. Lycopene has been shown to reduce cell damage and limit the growth of cancer cells. It's an antioxidant, which means it shields cells from harm. Cooking loosens the connection, allowing our bodies to more easily absorb the antioxidants and deliver it to the prostate. According to studies, When a man consumes a high lycopene diet, lycopene levels in the prostate rise for some reason. Tomato sauce, paste, and juice can all help our bodies get the most out of this nutritional powerhouse. Even better, sauce your tomatoes in olive oil, which aids lycopene absorption in the body. Researchers found that men who ate more tomatoes were less likely to get prostate cancer in a study of 24 trials. Coffee and green tea. You may have heard that green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which are thought to be anti-carcinogenic and anti-mutagenic. Men who consume 7 cups of green tea per day had a lower risk of prostate cancer, according to a systematic study published in Medicine, Baltimore. In addition, a 2017 study indicated that males who drank more green tea had a decreased risk of prostate cancer. These findings, however, need to be confirmed in larger investigations, according to the researchers. According to a 2014 meta-analysis of clinical research, drinking 4 to 5 cups of coffee per day can reduce your overall risk of prostate cancer, as well as the risk of deadly and high-grade prostate cancer. Researchers discovered in 2021 that drinking more coffee was linked to a lower incidence of prostate cancer. With each additional cup of coffee consumed per day, there was a substantial linear trend. Legumes and soya beans. Beans, peanuts, and lentils belong to the legume family of foods. Phytoestrogens are biologically active plant chemicals found in legumes. One such phytoestrogen is isoflavones. According to one study, persons who consumed the most phytoestrogens had a 20% lower risk of prostate cancer than those who consumed the least. Phytoestrogens may have cancer-fighting qualities due to their antioxidant characteristics and impacts on hormone control and cell death. Pomegranate. Pomegranates, like green tea, are high in antioxidants. Because of its high antioxidant content, pomegranate juice is known as a superfood. Antioxidants may aid in the prevention of oxidative stress-related chronic illnesses. According to the National Cancer Institute, pomegranate juice and some of its medicinal components may help prevent prostate cancer cells from proliferating. Pomegranate juice and extract have been shown to reduce the formation of some prostate cancer cells in animal and test tube tests, while additional human study is needed. Watermelon. Watermelon is also high in lycopene, an antioxidant that gives fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and watermelons their color. Lycopene may help reduce the incidence of prostate cancer, according to research. According to recent studies conducted by the United States Department of Agriculture, watermelon contains 40% more lycopene than tomatoes of equal weight. In fact, according to one study, watermelon may be a better source of lycopene than tomatoes. The lycopene in watermelon is just as well absorbed by the body as lycopene from tomatoes. Vitamin D supplementation and differentiation of tumor cells, according to several studies, and hence may protect against prostate cancer. Although the ability of vitamin D to inhibit cancer growth has been extensively demonstrated, the function of vitamin D supplementation in the treatment of prostate cancer is still debated. Citrus. Fresh fruit is an essential component of a healthy diet. It also has the potential to reduce your risk of prostate cancer. According to a 2017 study, persons who ate the most fruit, particularly citrus, had a slight reduction in their risk of prostate cancer. Citrus fruits include oranges, grapefruit, lemons, limes, tangerines, and mandarin oranges, among others.